There are so many things in life which are not just perfect. In a very similar way, most of us do not have that perfect straight smile, which not only affects our confidence but also makes us conscious at public appearances. But due to certain advancements that are made in the field of orthodontia, yes, we can achieve that straight, perfect smile. Now, most of us are completely aware of the benefits of the orthodontic treatment. If somebody is struggling with the teeth that are not properly aligned, the teeth which are having spaces in between, by orthodontic treatment you can achieve the best smile possible. But still, most of the patients, they struggle with the image of those metallic brackets and metallic wires, or ceramic brackets, metallic wires placed in the front surface of their teeth, which they have to wear it for the years and on. They just really feel it very hard to imagine these kind of situations. At Roots and Industry, we provide a much more alternative to this old age technique. An appliance which is much more aesthetically acceptable, which is much more comfortable as compared to the traditional braces. These are nothing but the clear aligners. Hi, I'm Dr. Abhishek Chakraborty, owner and managing director of Roots and Industry Dental Clinic, and today I'll be talking about the clear aligners. So basically, clear aligners, what are they? These are the most recent advancements made in the field of orthodontia for the correction of your crooked or malaligned teeth. So these clear aligners are basically made up of a plastic which is very flexible and snaps onto your teeth, and they apply a focused amount of pressure onto your teeth so that they can do the movement and come into a proper alignment. So these plastic trays are basically made up of a polyurethane resin, which is highly biocompatible, and they are that much amount, they are strong that they can do the movement of the teeth in their desired position. Now, when we compare the clear aligners with the traditional braces, they are definitely much more advantageous as compared to this old age techniques. Now, the first and foremost thing, what we all know, the aesthetic appearance. When we talk about clear aligners, we are telling you that it is virtually invisible. So when you wear it, people are not knowing about the process which is going on, and you are achieving the correction which is happening. But whereas in traditional braces, everyone will be able to notice them in the front of your teeth. So they are virtually absolutely visible. Second thing, these traditional braces, you cannot remove it. You cannot remove it if you want to clean your tooth. You cannot remove it if you want to munch your favorite food. But when we compare this to the clear aligners, it is absolutely under the control of the patient. If you want to brush your teeth, floss your teeth, eat your favorite food for that particular period of time, or you want to go to a certain event for a couple of hours, you can just remove it. Other thing, when you are wearing the traditional braces, when they are really acting on your teeth to do the movement and all, you might feel a little discomfort. They are sometimes painful, whereas clear aligners are absolutely away from any kind of discomfort or any kind of pain. They are much more comfortable, they are much more flexible, and they are much more lightweight as compared to the traditional braces. Now, coming down to the wearing part of it, as I already told, the traditional braces you cannot remove it, whereas clear aligners in a day at least you have to wear for a period of like 20 to 22 hours so as to achieve those perfect results. So these are the basic differences between the traditional braces and your clear aligners. Now, who all are the candidates who can achieve Invisalign? So Invisalign is for all age groups. So previously it was only restricted to the teens and adults, but now the Invisalign is also available for kids who are aging between 6 to 10 years. Now, what are the process and how this entire workflow of the clear aligners work? Now, for these clear aligners, you need to first have a consultation with your dentist. So the dentist will thoroughly examine the entire teeth. They will check up with all the issue, what all complications you have, what kind of biting pattern you have, whether you have a cross bite, whether you have an open bite, whether there is an overjet, whether there is an spacing between the teeth, whether there is a deviation in the midline. So all these things will be diagnosed. In the process of diagnosis, you will be also required to have certain amount of X-rays, whether it is a RBG of the particular teeth, or you need to have a full mouth X-ray, which is called as the OPG, or in some special cases you might also need to have something called as a 3D X-ray, which is CBCT. Now, once these diagnostic procedures are done, the dentist will decide whether aligners are the correct options for you or not. If you are the proper candidate for an aligner, he will definitely ask you for the next appointment, where an intraoral scanning of your entire teeth will be done. In this intraoral scanning, basically a scan of your entire jaw will be made, the entire dentition will be made, and it will be sent to the respective company. And in that company, they will analyze your particular biting situation, and according to that, they will send a final simulation of the results which you will be achieving at the end of the treatment. So you will be able to virtually view how your smile is going to transform when from stage 1 to the final stage. Now, once these all things are done, after a period of 20 days or a period of 1 month, you receive these aligners from your particular dental clinic where you have got the intraoral scanning done. So the dentist will basically apply some buttons on your teeth, where these aligners will get snapped onto your teeth, and then you have to come down for some follow-ups. When we compare these follow-ups as compared to the traditional braces, they have much more reduced follow-ups when we talk about these clear aligners. In traditional braces, you have to give monthly visits to your orthodontist for the change of these wires, for the change of elastics. But in case of clear aligners, these all things are not there. So we don't have to worry about all these things. So clear aligners are having a clear-cut advantage over these traditional braces, and we welcome you at Roots and Dentistry. If you are looking for these advantageous clear aligners for the alignment of your teeth, it will not only boost your confidence, it will give you a beautiful smile at the end of the treatment, and while the treatment is going on, nobody will